Let's try to explore some questions on carbonyl compounds. Somebody asks you which will not undergo benzoin condensation. That's the question. Well, they gave me options like A is benzaldehyde, B is paramethoxybenzaldehyde, and C is orthotolaldehyde, and D is C6H5 CH2CHO. Now, if I know that benzoin condensation is possible only for aromatic aldehydes, obviously I can say that D is the right option. Suppose I don't know, then at least by the process of elimination, I can see all others appears to have the aldehyde group directly linked to aromatic system except in D. So, even on that argument, it is this. Do you know what is benzoin condensation? Notice, benzoin is a medicine used to relieve from discomfort in the respiratory troubles. Especially in COVID situation, one can try benzoin, tincture of benzoin. Let us look at another question. 1 mole of an organic compound needs 0.5 moles of oxygen to produce an acid. What could be this compound? First option alcohol, second option ether, third option ketone, and fourth option is aldehyde. If I look at the general formula of alcohol, that is CnH2n plus 2O, and ether is also having similar formula, as you know, CnH2n plus 2O, and a ketone is having a formula CnH2nO. Aldehyde is also having a formula CnH2nO. Now, what could be the answer? From general formula standpoint, A and B are not options. What about C and D? As you know that the ketones are difficult to undergo oxidation. Aldehydes can easily undergo oxidation. If you force a ketone to undergo oxidation, as you know, you have to break a CC bond and it requires extra oxygen for both carbons on both sides. So answer is very likely to be naturally what? Aldehyde. You can look at the formula CnH2nO plus half O2 gives CnH2n minus 1 C Cn minus 1 H2n minus 1 COOH. Okay, so answer must be aldehyde. Is it very clear to you, sir? So next question is, benzyl alcohol is obtained. Alcohol is obtained from benzaldehyde by. You are given 4 options. A. Fittig reaction, B. Cannizzaro reaction, C. Kolb's reaction, D. Wood's reaction. Obviously, Fittig reaction is related to aryl halides. It is not the answer. Kolb reaction is meant to prepare hydrocarbons by electrolysis of sodium salts of carboxylic acids. That's not the option. Wood's reaction is also meant for preparation of alkanes using sodium from alkyl halides. A Cannizzaro reaction is the best option and only option because Cannizzaro reaction means aldehydes which do not have alpha hydrogens in presence of a base undergo oxidation to give carboxylate ions and reduction to give corresponding alcohols. So benzoaldehyde can give this. Answer is B. Let us look at next question. C6H6 reacts with carbon monoxide in presence of HCl, and you are using anhydrous aluminum chloride and cuprous chloride to get X and HCl. What is X? X, four options are given. C6H5CH3 toluene, B is C6H5CH2Cl benzyl chloride, C is C6H5CH4 benzaldehyde, D is C6H5COOH benzoic acid. Do you know that this is the best method to prepare benzaldehyde? Can you name this reaction, sir? Think it over. Our next question is ethylidene chloride on treatment with aqueous KOH gives, ethylidene chloride means what? First option is CH3CHO, second option is CH2OH, ethylene glycol, third option is formaldehyde, and fourth option is glyoxal, CHO. What could be the answer, sir? To know the answer, first I should know what is ethylidene chloride. This is ethylidene chloride. Two Cl's linked to same carbon. When it is treated with aqueous KOH, two Cl's are replaced by OH. The gem dihydric alcohols are unstable, they lose water to give corresponding aldehyde. So if you know this, you can identify A as the answer. So these are first 5 questions on the concept of carbonyl compounds. Let us quickly look at another 5 questions. The next five questions are simple. What is formalin? Formalin. You know that formalin is first option. Formalin is a solution of fluorocene is first option. Second option is CH2OH, ethylene glycol. Third option is formaldehyde. Fourth option is furfural-aldehyde. As you know, formalin solution is a solution used to preserve biological specimens. It is a 40% solution of formaldehyde used in your biology laboratories to store specimens. Formaldehyde is also used as a monomer in the copolymer known as phenol formaldehyde, otherwise known as bakelite, used to make switchboards. Do you know that phenol formaldehyde is a thermosetting plastic which becomes hard on heating? Benzene reacts with, next question. Benzene reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 to give, first option C6H5COCl, second option C6H5Cl, third option C6H5CH3, and fourth option is C6H5COCH3. Do you know this is a standard Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction where you will get acetophenone? Answer must be D. You will never get this. Never you will get this. You will never get this because that you will get in Friedel-Crafts halogenation. This you will never get in this reaction because this you will get in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Our next question is toluene on treatment with CrO2Cl2 gives A C6H5Cl, B C6H5CH2Cl, C6H5CH3, and fourth option is C6H5CHO. You know that CrO2 Cl2 is used to react with toluene to give what is the answer, sir? I will give you two more options. Okay. The next one is chlorotoluene, and next one is benzoic acid. What could be the answer, sir? Toluene on reaction with CrO2 Cl2 followed by hydrolysis is known as Ettard reaction. Even if the number of options are more, you should not be confused. Notice toluene on treatment with chromyl chloride followed by hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. The name of the reaction is Ettard reaction. Do you remember that? Next question is, ethanol reacts with alkali. CH3CHO reacts with alkali to give 3-hydroxybutanol. And now, what is the name of this reaction? A. Polymerization. B. Claisen condensation. C. Aldol condensation. D. Reamer-Tiemann reaction. Do you know that aldehydes which have alpha hydrogens in presence of alkali undergo condensation reaction? First they dimerize to give you corresponding hydroxycarbonyl compounds with double the number of carbons. That particular reaction is known as aldol condensation. This product is actually aldol. So answer is, as you know, C. Next question, methyl ketones are usually characterized by the methyl ketones are characterized by A. Tollens reagent, B. iodoform test, C. Schiff's test, D. Benedict's test. Methyl ketones are the compounds which have C double bond O CH3. Such compounds